Sunday, Sunday, Sunday. Got the blazer up in the air, sorting out some issues. Basically being pretty satisfied that past employees are still past employees, but kind of wanted to show off my badges of honor. This piece here was a new piece, but look at all those dings in it. Oh yeah. You see those dings? Ooh, look at that one. That was a hard hit. Those are my badges of honor. I drive this. If you're not from Havasu, you don't know. I'm telling you. The front of the hood's all chipped up too. Oh man. Good thing I know how to paint. Yeah. Check this too. Pretty proud of this. Oh, those are down there to the wear bars. I'll probably show those again once there's cords showing. Drive it. All those guys that trailer their stuff and get all pumped up when they're at the show and everybody's going nuts on how nice their vehicle is. Guess what? Those same guys, when they walk away, they're cutting on you for trailering your stuff. Everybody's got their own enjoyment levels to things though. If you like playing truck and trailer, go for it.